Removing a processor board. This procedure should only be performed by a trained technician. Remove the tray cover. Unfasten the Phillips No. 1 screws to remove the rear cross braces. When removing the processor board from node A, remove the leakage sensor module holder. Loosen the two screws at the rear of the system board assembly. Pull up the plunger at the front to release the system board assembly. Remove the system board assembly from the tray. Note: hold the system board assembly by the thumb screw at the front and the tab beside the power connector. Disconnect the COM port cable from the front I/O board and the system I/O board. Remove the FPC cable. Pull up the connector latches on the front I/O board and the system I/O board. Disconnect the FPC cable from the front I/O board and the system I/O board. Remove the two M3PH1 screws from the system I/O board. Remove the system I/O board from the system board assembly. Remove the two M3PH1 screws from the front I/O board. Remove the front I/O board from the system board assembly. Remove the 4 Torx T10 screws on each node to remove the VR cold plate from the processor board. Using a Torx screwdriver set to the proper torque, remove the 3 Phillips No. 1 screws per node from the processor board. Remove the processor board.